Hello everyone, this is Sobia, Faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to learn a topic of Class 1, Chapter 5, Our School. Children, do you like coming to school? Yes, everyone likes coming to school. So why do we come to school? And what do we learn from the school? We are going to learn from this chapter. Children, what you do at school? Yes, you are right. You learn a lot of things. So few of the things we are going to see now. So first thing what we learn in our school, we learn to read. So how it has to be read and how to write, how to paint and how to draw, how to dance, how to sing and how to play. So we just learn all these things in our school, isn't it children? You learn reading, writing, even you learn painting, drawing, dancing, singing and playing. Children, you like doing this all in your school? Yes, so everyone is going to have all these things in their school and we learn these all things in our school. Not only that, we learn some other things. What we learn children? We learn punctuality. What do you mean by punctuality? We learn how to come at time. So to be punctual, discipline and good manners. So we learn in our school about punctuality. What do you mean by punctuality children? So punctuality means how to maintain our time. Like if your school is at 9, we need to reach the school before 9. So we try to learn to be at school before time, so that learning we'll call it to be as punctual. Compulsory it is needed that you need to reach the school before time. Next it comes for discipline. We learn to be in discipline in our schools, like in the school assembly we'll just maintain silence. Not only that, in the classroom when teacher is teaching a class, at the time also we'll keep discipline. We don't speak to each other, we just sit quietly and listen to the teacher. So here the discipline is learned in the school. Not only that, we learn good manners. So good manners like how to be friendly and help each other and how to be kind and not only that how to have patience. So all the things we try to learn in our school. So the school is a place where we learn a lot of things. So this was the thing what you have learned. Next what we need to do is, what does a school have? The school have following facilities. What is that? A school is going to have a library. So what we do in the library children? We read story books, we read some other books to get the information. So the books are read in a library. We do have a medical room. So what is the use of medical room? For example, if you are not feeling well, so you will be just taking the rest and give in some meditation, so as if you can be back to your health. Not only that, we do have playground. So what we do in a playground? We just play. Music room. Yes, what you do in the music room children? We play piano, we play guitar, violin and we try to learn a music there. And next to not only that, we do have computers. We learn how the technology is getting improved and how it has to be implemented in our life. So not only that, we learn to dance, we learn to sing, like we do have a dance room, and next we do have an arts and craft room. So these are the things which we have in our school. So who are there in your school children? First and foremost thing, the principal is the head of the school. So what is she going to do? Yes, he or she looks after day-to-day activities of the school. So what students are doing, what teachers are doing, so everything are going to be taken care by the principal. Not only principal, there are some other peoples who help us in school. Who are they? Let us find out. So first it comes for a bus driver. So what is the work of a bus driver, children? The school bus driver drives us from home to school, and again after completion of school he'll just drop you back from school to your home. So this is the work of a driver of a school bus. And next it comes for a gardener. So what is the work of a gardener, children? The gardener looks after the school garden. Do you like your school garden? Yes. So you can feel a fresh and natural air in your garden where you do have lot of trees and plants. So this work is going to be done by a gardener. Next it comes for a sweeper. So the sweeper keeps the school clean. So he is going to clean the school classroom, all the remaining rooms which are present in the school. So next it comes for a guard. So what is the use of a guard? So he is going to look after the school's security, as if no strangers has to enter in the school. He is going to look after the school. Next it comes for the important thing which you like the most, a classroom. So the room in which you are going to study, so that room is called as what, children? It's a classroom. Yes. What does a classroom have? Yes, a classroom has a blackboard, a chart board, and desk and chairs, isn't it? So these are the things which you can see in a class. So children, can you add some more things which you see in your class? Like you will be seeing duster, chalk paste, and still what are the things which you can see in a classroom? Just make a note of it.